feel it? The degraded quality of the air? Pranam and Sahanubhuti छ मलाई रोग भोग र अभावग्रस्त हरेक प्राणी र प्रकृति प्रति माया छ मलाई मेरो माटो र मेरो सुन्दर संसार प्रति गौरव छ मलाई मेरो मिथिला मेरो नेपाल र मेरो नेपालीपन प्रति कोटि कोटि नमन छ जननी जन्मभूमि एवं ज्ञान रूपी प्रकाशले सिंचित गर्नुहुने गुरु भक्त तथा निष्पक्ष न्यायको तराजुले सुशोभित निर्णायक मण्डलज्यू र आदरणीय मञ्चासीन प्रबुद्ध गणमान्य वर्ग प्रति My name is Riddhi Yadav from class 9 and today I stand before you to talk about a burning issue concerning environment which impacts and remedies as well. First of all, what is environment? Environment is everything around us. Environment is sum of total of all the living and non-living elements that has effects on our human life. But as we witness the consequences that our environment is degrading day by day. For that, we can just take the example of hand pumps in our city, which used to be 250 feet, 350 feet in the ground, is today now more than 450 and 550 feet in the ground. Why? Because the ground is being dry. We're just absorbing the water from the ground and not providing it so in the required amount. That is why the ground is not in the same condition as it was just a few years ago. The mineral water you all take from the plastic bottle, calling it a pure mineral water, consists of 40 microns of plastic, which melts and dilutes with the water. Ladies and gentlemen, most of the time we all use the disposal items like the ball pen you all use. Have you ever thought where will it go after you're done using it? In today's world, where science has been crystal clear, it has done a lot of experiment in our environment. That is why people are suffering, people are dying, our entire ecosystem is collapsing. We are in the beginning of mass extinction, and still what you all can talk about the fairy tales of external economic growth, which is nothing but a curse to the natural beauty of our environment. Our environment is like our mother, but today our mother is in danger due to the increasing global warming, the war between the countries like Gaza and Palestine, Russia and Ukraine, the rise of sea level. For that, we can just take the example of Rameswaram, a place mentioned in Ramayana, which used to be in the land, is now in the sea. Due to that, even the fertile ones are being covered in the sea. The waterborne diseases, the airborne diseases, and the soil-borne diseases are caused due to environmental pollution. So, the prevention is better than the cure. Fohar bata mohar, ra mohar bata batavaran sundar. Such policies must be manipulated. The irreversible effect due to the human encroachment in the Chure Hills, which touches 38 districts and covers 12.8% land part of the Nepal due to human encroachment, soil excavation, forest fires, and urbanization will have an unbearable effect on it. So, it's the time now to rethink about it. And if you want, a massive problem can be raised. According to HDI, Nepal is in 6th place in it due to the root cause of the consequences that is imparted to the subsequent output of environment. But we still have time to change it. We still have time to save our environment. The slogan of Hariyo Ban Nepal ko dhan is ultimately converting into Binash Ban Ujad ko dhan. But we can still do correct that. From the smallest organism to the largest mammal, we all can change it by just doing some efforts, like using the 3R pattern: reduce, reuse, recycle, by using the compost manures instead of chemical fertilizers, by managing the solid wastage from the industries, hospitals, urbanization, and converting it into renewable and non-renewable resources, and then managing it properly. Remember, our environment is not just a gift from our ancestors, but a loan from our children. So, let us repay it with our legacy of sustainable works. Even our government has been doing a lot to protect our environment. For that, we can just take the example of Ganga Sagar, a holy pond, which wasn't just just a few years ago, is now so good that even the previous people take the water from it, calling it the pure holy water. Government has even launched a lot of programs like MCC, ICC in 2009, the Program of Environment Council in 2008, the Ministry of Environment in 2009. And if this all will work collectively for the betterment of our environment, it will help a lot in it. Our rich culture teaches us to worship our nature not just as mere resources, but as life givers for a reason. So, let us protect our environment. At last, I want to conclude my speech letting you all know a Sanskrit slok which says, Yat pradusyanti pranali dhvant tat surakshit bhedat. Means, if we will save our nature will save us. Thank you.